Hey, I'm Emily and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this bunny piggy bank using napkin decoupage. Let's get started. So what you'll need for this project is Mod Podge, scissors, a small paintbrush. You need a 1-ply napkin and also your blank. So in my case, I got a bunny piggy bank for my friend's daughter's birthday. And you can use any type of napkin as long as it's 1-ply. So I'm gonna unfold this napkin and then we're gonna separate the patterned side from the back. So I'm going to rip the backing off and just throw that out. We don't need it anymore. So then what you're left with is the pattern side of the napkin, but now it's very thin and it's gonna make it stick a lot better to your blank. And from here, I'm just cutting out all of the flowers and the designs that I'm going to be sticking onto the bunny. I am trying to get as close to the design as possible. I don't want too much of the just plain white napkin part to show, but obviously it's impossible to cut it so close that you don't get anything, so. They honestly kind of remind me of those like temporary tattoos that you would put on as a kid. And I'm just continuing to cut out all the different flowers and stuff that I want. My friend's daughter is turning 1 and I thought this would make a really nice gift that would go well in her nursery. And she could use it as she gets older. And yeah, I think it turned out nice. So these are all the ones that I cut out. So then next, once everything is cut out, you're going to first apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to your blank and then place the napkin directly on top of that. And I'm just lightly pressing down with my finger to make it as flat as I can without ripping the napkin. And then I'm applying just a thin layer of Mod Podge on top of that. And then again, I like to just go in and flatten it out with my finger again, just to kind of reduce the amount of wrinkles. It's so easy and I'm just repeating this process for the entire bunny. I'm trying to gauge where I think all the flowers should go and what's gonna look best with all the other designs around it. I think the bunny's turning out so cute. I actually really love it. It turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to because I've never done this before. So I was a little nervous, but I think it turned out really well. Once you're done placing everything, you just let it dry and it's all done. It's such like a simple and fun project. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you would try this project, or if you have any tips on how to better this process, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more crafting content from me, just subscribe to my channel and you will be notified when I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.